guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. Alright, so last minute impromptu drift event we're attending. So I stole Mike's sick ass 20B FD. Makes a little over 500 to the wheels, but it just looks cool as hell. I made it look cool. So right now just getting some little things ready. Like Mike only had one strap, so we have to get more straps for the car, as well as just replacing the lights in the trailer that from being parked, I don't know who did it. I'm not trying to blame nobody, but someone broke my light. To fix that, I don't want to get a ticket. So fix that light and then go get this thing aligned. That's the main goal today, is get this thing aligned, because it really rides like shit before the event tomorrow. So we're definitely prepared. So what could go wrong? Undercover, it's actually pretty cheap, so I'm not gonna get mad at my dad. But now we're looking at straps. And they got some cool ones, but look at this thing. Oh yeah, car ain't going nowhere with this. This is enough, but we're gonna go with these. This should be fine. And I'm getting these that go around the wheels so I don't scratch my wheels pretty much. Early as hell, but at least I got my boy Mochi with me. Dude's not happy about being up early either, but right now we're on the way to go to meet up Mike and then go to the gas station. And yeah, see, Mike came with that yup text. I mean, he just woke up and I'm already driving there, so hopefully he's ready by the time I get there, because he always sends that bullshit text like hopefully today he's not slipping, because we have to drive 2 hours to get to the place to make it to the driver's meeting. Yo, look at Mike being sketchy right now. Look. Dude has a cop right next to him and he won't pass him. Yo, it's super sus right now. I think this dude has no tags in his trailer. He might get pulled over. I think that's why he's not trying to pass a cop. Took one for the team, pulled us out of an exit, random one, just so Mike can get away from the cop. Wow, but you don't got tags? I said, what happened? Why didn't you pass the cop? What happened? It looked like you cared. Look, Mike's saying he don't care, but look, this dude got no tags anywhere. Straight up savage shit, man. Yo, look at this shit. Mike got the cheater mount. I got the car out of the trailer. Yeah, look at Mike's trailer height. Look at mine. Yeah, I'm gonna need those race ramps pretty soon. They put us in novice category, so I don't care, whatever. But super scared. This is the first time driving. First time drifting an FD. And on top of that, a right-hand driving FD, which is gonna be really hard to do. Luckily, 500 horsepower should definitely get me there, but hopefully I don't switch too much.
John's taking the sway bars off.
We still had a rear sway bar on.
Yeah, so I mean it is a street car, but you know, we'll just take him off.
For excuse. Sway bar in the back.
I haven't been doing that bad, so now I'm gonna drive the FD, and John's gonna drive the FC, and we're just gonna flip on cars like that and see which one feels best to take to the Freedom Factory in Florida.
Turn it off in a minute.
What we're gonna do? We're gonna watch Daddy drift? Huh? So in case a lot of you don't know, that's still a 6-port block that we turboed. It's running, making 370 at 11 pounds. The FC gets it.
Yeah, with nice tires. Hey, get some water, it's hot.
Yeah, pop the hood.
Hey, bar guy, brother.
Both cars did pretty good today, and there's some stuff we're gonna address with both of them, definitely to improve them. But I'm really happy, especially with the FC. This thing rips, right, Mochi?
FC definitely just way better than the FD does, but I mean that's no shit. I was driving the FC all the time. But I want to get back into the FD, try that again, because I'm not going to let the right-hand drive defeat me. I'm fighting the car a lot just because the alignment's kind of far off. The alignment's far off. Tires are really shitty. Makes a lot of power. Turbo's really laggy, but it's fun because you can actually learn how to drive it better. I'm going to go back out again, do a couple laps. Just have to be careful because that car, we didn't get to finish it right. Just in time, so we didn't put an oil cooler on it, so I thought I'd do like 2 laps, let the car cool down, then do 2 laps, let the car cool down. I can't do like the FC, just hot lap it, but definitely would be fun to try that again.
We're gonna try some water wetter. We got like probably 5-6 laps in, it'll start getting hot and the computers start limiting. So we're gonna see if we can get at least 1 more lap. And I'm gonna probably gonna take the FC out. John's gonna take the FD, and we're gonna hit a couple laps. Now we got a little bit for the 20B also. Yeah, that's gonna be hard. There he goes. We definitely lost some antifreeze on the 20B because, you know, I didn't hook up that nipple. So, it's whatever.
I bet it still turns on though.
That's how a car should start.
She broke it in now.
You know, this ain't no 20B that takes a minute to start.
Oh, yeah, I told you.
FD definitely needs steering. John tapped one of the barriers, but it was a plastic one, so I'm sure it's fine.
Mochi, Mike's coming. Let's see what he does.
The thing is, so I can go more, but I don't do it because I'm tired, you know?
Yeah.
Mochi, how did you enjoy cheerleading? Because it was too hot for you to be in the car. Pretty good day. Got a lot of driving done, which I guess is kind of rare because I usually have issues with my car that break a diff or transmission. So it was cool to drive a low horsepower car with a lot of grip. I gripped up pretty hard. I was on 615Ks at 20 psi in the back, so the thing was eating pretty good. I did tap the car a little bit on a barrier. Wasn't a big deal. I fixed it. Most of the impact got taken by the Bliss 03, so cry about it. But yeah, so the FD's too crazy. Definitely need to get that alignment done. I drove it without alignment, so I need to get that alignment done and then just drive it, learn how to drive it pretty much. I have to learn how to drive it because I'm gonna drift my FD, so I had to like learn how to. I had to figure out how to drive an FD for drifting because they're completely different than an FC. The FC, like after I took the sway bar off, was like perfect. Literally, it was like my car with way less angle and way less power, but still fun as hell. Pretty cool event. Came here, both cars left without being broken, which is pretty awesome. And now we're just gonna go home and relax. Mochi!